Aye. It's the great mail call.
Smell call.
No,
Because it stinks.
it's a mail call.
It's
27.
Smell call number 27.
Kimberly Paw. William Paw's running the camera. Grandpa's right here.
Ew, stop.
Jackson Paw, well, he's at home taking a nap.
They're trying to.
No.
Anyway, we have a mail call here from Prescott Hobbies in Prescott, Arizona.
Whoa.
I wonder what it could be. Inquiring minds want to know.
You might open the package. Ha ha ha.
Now, let's see. What do I need?
There, that level.
Ah, there. That'll work. Put that over here just for a second.
Ouch!
Okay, and now for the unveiling. Everybody ready? All right, here's the bill of sale. Some packing. And what is this? It's small.
Bubbles!
What could that possibly be?
I don't know. Why
It's that small.
Bubbles!
Why is that small?
I don't know. What could be that
Should I
small?
pop the bubbles?
N scale? Are you switching to N scale?
Huh?
Are you switching to N scale?
Switching to N scale. What are you talking about?
Bubble.
Let's undo it.
It's an N scale train.
It is? Are
Yeah.
you sure?
Yeah.
I don't know. What we have here
Yeah, it's an N
is
scale.
a KATO GE ES44AC with DCC. It is a BNSF swoosh 5873.
N scale.
Oh yeah, it is N scale.
Told you. So are we switching to N scale now?
No, it seems that every layout that I visit is all N scale. So
Oh, so you didn't take that one now?
I thought maybe, you know,
I'm going to step on it.
they didn't mind, I'd bring an engine to run on, you know,
Yeah.
because everything is always, you know, and there's nothing wrong with it either. Now,
Swoosh.
Butterfly!
Swoosh.
there's that part. Let's take this thing out of here without tearing it apart.
Do you need me to do it?
Huh? No,
Can we do it?
got small parts.
So, Grandpa, I have a question for
In
you.
here kind of tight.
Yes!
Yes.
What is that big thing that says DCC on it? What was that?
What?
This little right here.
This?
Yeah. Was that my
I
train?
don't know, it's some big old locomotive. I don't know what the heck it was. Alright, there we go.
Was it my big old locomotive?
Here we are.
But
You
you
got
can't
that in
find it.
focus?
Yeah.
Mm.
It's all focused. I got you.
Look,
Look at this scale difference.
HO scale, N scale.
I love that sound!
What are you gonna do?
So,
with the N scale?
at the end of the month, I'll be traveling to visit Vinny and a few other folks that are visiting Vinny. And this will make its maiden voyage on Vinny's layout.
It's gonna be sad.
So
Your
until
cameraman's not
until
gonna-
that time, I'm just gonna have to put it back in the box,
Is that it in the box?
pack it, and
Was that it?
yeah, that's it.
Why so much wrapping paper then?
'Cause they shipped it.
Okay. Bubble wrap and
Yes,
Bro,
you want to make
but
sure
look it.
everything is
It
going to
looks
get
like-
here safely.
looks like there's gonna be another thing in there.
Well, let's make sure you have it safe.
No, I'm just kidding. That's not.
All right. Thanks for your time. Thanks for
And
watching.
Hit the
Thank you for
bell.
your support. Hit the
Ding.
bell. And make comments, and we will
Make sure you
catch you
pop
later.
bubbles.
I can't wait to run this on Vinny's layout.